Beloved, I've come on here to tell somebody today that you are this close to your promise. And I'm going to tell you how, because of the dream that the Lord blessed me with. I remember a few days ago, I was asking the Lord, Lord, I have a lot of dreams about a lot of things that you plan on blessing me with, but I never have a dream about the promised land that you have for me, that you've shown me. And I knew in my spirit that the closer I get to the promised land, I would start to have dreams about it. So I finally had my first dream about my promised land. Hallelujah. And in the promised land, when I was in my promise, in that dream, I was about to, I think, go clean or something, or just get my area ready, which means preparation. You're getting your area ready. God is getting your area ready for you to be in. And I remember that I took soap and I was putting soap in my mouth. And beloved, after getting revelation from the Lord was saying that he is going through the final purification in our hearts before dropping us off into our promised land. You're this close, beloved. I'm this close, beloved, to the promised land. But God is doing that final purification in us. We went through that refining fire so God can say, okay, they're ready for this. But to sustain what the Lord is giving us, he has to make sure that he purifies our hearts. He has to purify our tongues, our words, the things that we say, the things that we think, how we handle people, even our enemies. You're this close, beloved, to your breakthrough. God is saying today that you're this close. Allow that work to be done in you. Allow that refining to be done within you. It's coming. This is the final part. Allow God to just cleanse your heart of the things that do not honor him, because you're getting ready to cross over. Again, beloved, I want to encourage you guys to join my WhatsApp group chat. We're going to be reading the book of Revelations beginning April 22nd, which is Monday, and that's also the first day of Passover. Okay, and Passover, as we know, is the day that the Israelites were set free from slavery to the Egyptians. So, beloved, we're getting ready for this crossover. Hallelujah. If you believe it, join that WhatsApp group. Sow into this word, beloved. I'm praying over every single seed. Make sure that you're listening to the voice of God, the lead of God, the tugging of the Lord over your life. Stay focused. All right. Stay focused. If you're not already subscribed to this YouTube channel, subscribe right now. Make sure that you have your bell notifications turned on so you can know for every prophetic word that I post, every prayer, and every time that I go live. Okay, beloved? I love you all so much, and I will see you in my very next video. Have a blessed day.